In a closely connected world, top industry executives are expected to be aware of global business scenarios. Transform into C-suite business leaders with a global vision. The Global Senior Leadership Program, where you can master forecasting and valuation, understanding of macro and microeconomics, corporate strategy and leadership, supply chain planning and forecasting, data-driven decision making, organizational behavior, and many more. Deep dive into specialization of your choice: Chief Financial Officer, Chief Marketing Officer, Chief Operating Officer, Chief Human Resource Officer. Network with IIM faculty and peers with a 10-day IIM Lucknow campus immersion. Network with industry leaders on a 2-day executive conference in Dubai. Get real-world global practical domain understanding through real-world case studies and projects. Master classes by global CXOs. Interactive learning with Emeritus Game Studio. And finally earn an IIM Lucknow Executive Alumni Status. Global Senior Leadership Program. Enroll today.